Good morning children. Today we will have to solve exercise 16.2 problem number 6. In problem number 6 given in a parallelogram ABCD, AB is equal to 18 cm, BC is equal to 12 cm, AL perpendicular to DC and AM perpendicular to BC. If AL is equal to 6.4 cm, find the length of AM. So from here also given that problem number 6 AB given that AB is equal to 18 cm and also BC is equal to given that BC is equal to 12 cm and from here also given that AL given that 6.4 cm. Okay, and this type of parallelogram given that you have here this type of parallelogram given that this is a parallelogram also this type of parallelogram given that this is A, B, C, D and also here from you see that this will be L. So and also from here given that so as this point will be M. Okay, so from here you also find that AB into AL AB into AL is equal to BC into AM. BC also given that BC into AM. Okay, so from here given that AB is equal to 18, AL is equal to 6.4 is equal to 12 into AM, and also we have to find AM. What is the length of AM? We have to find this. So from here AM is equal to 18 into 6.4 upon 12. Okay, so 6 to the 12, 6 3 is 18, 2 3 is 6.4, 2 to 4. So AM is equal to 3 into 3.2 is equal to 3 to the 6 and 3 to the 9, 9.6. So AM is equal to 9.6 centimeter. Okay, so this will be the answer of this question. Now again we have to solve the problem number 7. In problem number 7 given that the ratio of two adjacent sides of a parallelogram is 2:3 and its perimeter is 50 cm. Find the area if altitude corresponding to larger side is 12 cm. Okay, so here also given that perimeter of the parallelogram, perimeter of the parallelogram is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, is equal to 2 into 3x plus 2x is equal to 2 into 5x is equal to 10x, and also given that here that perimeter is equal to 50 cm. So from by question we get 10x is equal to 50 cm, then x is equal to 50 upon 10 is equal to x is equal to 5 cm. Okay, so this will be the answer of this question. Now again also here given that 2:3 and its perimeter is 50. Find its area if altitude corresponding to larger side is 10. Also here given that altitude to corresponding side is equal to base into height, is equal to base into height. Okay, base into height. So base will be 10 into height will be 15 is equal to 150 centimeter. Okay, so area will be 150 centimeter square. This is the area of the parallelogram. Okay, so again next problem, and also here you find that if x is equal to 5 centimeter, then 3x and 2x you have to find. Then 3x is equal to 3 into 5 is equal to 15 centimeter. This will be the length, and the breadth. This will be the length and breadth. 2x is equal to 2 into 5 is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, so this is the answer of this question. Now again, problem number 8. In problem number 8 given that a floral design on the floor of a building consists of 280 tiles. Each tile is in the shape of a parallelogram of altitude 3 cm and base 5 cm. Find the cost of polishing the design at the rate of 50 paise per centimeter square. Okay, so from here first of all you have given that area of the tiles is equal to base to height. Area of one tile is equal to base into height is equal to 3 into 5 is equal to 15 centimeter. Okay, 15 centimeter square. Now again here given that the area of 280 tiles consists building is equal to 280 into 15 centimeter square. Okay, so from here you find 15 0 0 15 8 120 0 12 15 30 32 12 442 100 centimeter square. Okay, so this will be the area. Now again, cost of polishing the design at the rate of polishing the design at the rate of 50 paise per centimeter square. 50 paise per centimeter square. The cost of 4200 centimeter squares, 4200 centimeter square of tiles will be is equal to 4200 into 50 is equal to paise. is equal to 5 to the 0 1, 5 4 ja 20 21, and also here 1 2 and 3 0. Then also you know that in 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. Then from this you find that rupee. So 2100 rupee. Okay. So 2100 rupees. Now solve this question. Now again we have to solve our problem number 9. In problem number 9 also given that here, if the area of a rhombus is 96 cm square and one of its diagonals is 16 cm, find its perimeter. So also here given that area of a rhombus is 96 cm square. So area of a rhombus is equal to given that 96 cm square. Okay. So 96 is equal to 1 by 2 into product of its diagonals. Product of the diagonals. Product of the diagonals. Is equal to 96 is equal to 1 upon 2, and also in this question given that one of its diagonal will be 16 into x. Then 192 is equal to 16x. Then x is equal to 192 upon 16. Then x is equal to 16 1 is 16, 3 to 32, 16 to 32. Then x is equal to 12 centimeter. Okay, so this will be the answer of this question. Now again you have to also find here its perimeter. So you have to also find the structure of a rhombus. Okay, structure of a rhombus. Now again you have to also, here given that 16 centimeter this diagonals, you have to also find out this diagonals. This diagonals will be 12 centimeter. Then after it you have to also find out the four sides of this rhombus, and then you have to also add these four sides. Then this will be your answer. Okay. Now again problem number 10, given that here, see in your book also you have given that this type of a trapezium, given that. Okay, so from here you find such as given that B C A X D, and this will be Y X, also given that this will be 7 centimeter. Okay, and also given that 4 centimeter. Okay, next here given that AX and CY are heights of the parallelogram BCD whose area is 9 to 1 by 3 cm square. What are the lengths of AX and CY? So you have to find out this. So area of the parallelogram is equal to area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height. Base into height. Area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height. So 9 into 1 by 3 is equal to 7 into x. Okay. So from here you find x is equal to 9 into 1 by 3. That 9 into 1 by 3 upon 7. That is to 28 by 3 into 7. Then 7 4s are 28. Then also you will find x is equal to 4 by 3. So be the length of that side. So AX also, this length will be AX is equal to 4 by 3 centimeter. Okay, so this will be the answer of this question. Now again, 4 into CY, 4 into CY is equal to given that 28 by 3 is equal to given that 28 by 3. Okay, so from here 4x is equal to, be let 4x, let CY will be x. Okay, this is the value of x is equal to 28 by 3, then x is equal to 28 by 3 into 4, then 4 sevens are 28, then x is equal to 7 by 3. So this will be the answer of this side. Okay, this is the length of this side, that means to AY, sorry CY, this will be the length of CY side. Okay, so this will be the answer of this question. Now again, this exercise will be finished, and again we solve our next exercise 16.3, area and perimeter of a triangle. And now then, till thank you children, we stop our writing because time is over. Thank you.